Hi everyone, it's Monica from Mystique Lashes. We'll talk now about taping. So I've been using microfoam tape for a little while and I'm absolutely in love with it. I'll show you what it looks like. Basically, microfoam tape is a connection between a pad and a tape. So it sticks as well as a tape, but it's kind of softer than a tape. So you've got a really good sort of sticking point to the skin where clients don't actually feel it's not as harsh and as sort of stiff as a tape. So I'll show you how to cut this and then I'll show you how to place it on your client, and I'm sure they'll absolutely love it.
So I like to use the microfoam because it's got the softness of the pad, but it actually it's got the stickiness of the tape, so it's a bit of both, and it's just a nice in the middle. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more sticky, but you kind of like the softness of the pad, this is a way to go. So I'll show you how I prepare this. So the way I cut this tape, because as you can see it's got a shape of the eye, of the under eye already cut into it, because that's what I've done it when I first got the tape. So I normally do it, I'll just put this tape on my finger and I kind of just get a small pair of scissors and guide sort of 5-6 centimeters in my head. Think, oh, I'm going to be cutting somewhere there. So the point is going to be here, and then all I do is just hold this on my finger with your hands that clean, and I just literally cut that into a nice shape. So what you'll be able to do then is just put this under the eye of the client, and as you can see it's quite sticky, so it will stick onto the skin really nicely. So that's how to cut it. So then I'll get this one, and then I can get another one just here. So again, just cut that, just make sure they're even. Don't cut them too small because there won't be enough area of the tape to stick onto the skin, and if someone has any residue of makeup or anything like that, they won't get stuck properly. So this is how I do it, and then you just put the tape away and you've got two nice pads ready to go under your client's eyes. I hope this was helpful, and I'll speak to you soon.